Hi, Craig. How are you? So, I know last time we were talking about how you were seeking treatment for some struggles you've been having with addiction of various substances, but mainly alcohol is why you're seeing me. And I've been thinking about that, and I know we talked about last time how it's been especially hard for you and your family and that dynamic that it's produced with both your extended family, your parents and aunts and uncles, but also you and your kids. And so, I had the idea for this activity today called a genogram. Can I explain that to you? Okay, great. So a genogram is a almost like a model that you are going to create of your family and family dynamics. And what's cool about this activity is you can kind of make it what you want it to be. So there's not a rule you have to follow necessarily. Normally it's 3 generations, so you can choose to include your children in that, or you can include to do grandparents, parents, and then you and your siblings. That's fine as well. You can kind of create what you want there. Also, you can include any kind of dynamics. So you can do communication styles, you could do mental disorders, you could do if anyone else struggles with an addiction in your family, put that in there. Anything you want, that's what we're going to create today. It's going to be, we're going to get out the arts and crafts. I know that sounds a little juvenile, but it helps, I think, if you write it down. And I do want to warn you, so we're going to have this genogram, we're going to make it together, but we're going to go over really personal areas of your life and your family origin. And I'm going to ask you some tough questions. Is that still something you want to proceed with? Okay, I'm glad. And so we're going to start this, but I just want to tell you a little bit more about kind of what this is going to look like. And you're going to create, it's going to kind of look like a family tree. Again, you get to make it how you want it, but you're going to create a key with that. That key is going to have all the things that you would like it to have. You get to guide this activity. And so if there is something that's more prevalent in your family history, add that in there. Add a squiggly line or a dotted line for that. And we're going to take a look at how all of these things in your family might interconnect in ways that you didn't know previously. So let's get started.